Hey there everyone, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the measurement in Canva. So as you can see, there is a margin line over here. Let's say I'm going to change the measurement of this. Simply go to the resize option, go to resize, and here go to customize size. So these are the width and the height of the page. In order to change the measurement, you need to focus on the units. Let's go here. Right now it's in pixel. You can change it into inches, millimeter, or centimeter. Let's change it into inches, or even millimeter. So yeah, this is how you change the measurement. But since unfortunately I do not have the pro version, I'm hoping you have one. So if you have one, there's no trouble at all. You can simply change it over here and tap in here that says like change or something. I don't have Canva Pro, so right now it's showing get Canva Pro, but the process is same. And yeah, that is how you change measurement in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Editing 24/7. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.